and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's little marshmallow hot chocolate mugs using the big fat campfire marshmallows like that. What we're going to do is get a candy cane. I've got 100 of these, so I've got to use them up. And we're going to get our marshmallow. Now if they're a little bit out of shape, you can just sort of squeeze them like so and they'll go back into shape. We're going to get a sharp knife and make a hole like so in our marshmallows, okay? And there you've got a little handle, you see that? Then we're going to just roll our edges of our marshmallows, chocolate on the top like so, okay? And then sprinkle some sprinkles on the top of them. And because it's Christmas, we're going to be using Christmas coloured sprinkles. Plus I've got lots of them left over from our gingerbread decorating. Now, you can either cement some little marshmallows onto the top of that to make it look like a hot chocolate, or get some fairy floss, okay? And this is going to give it the illusion of having fluffy stuff on top of it. Just get a little dollop of chocolate on the top, like so, and the fairy floss will stick to it quite readily. Fluff it out. There you go. And there you have it. Cute little treats for your Christmas table to delight children on Christmas Day. Okay, and continue with the rest.